Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial. What I want to show you today is how you can fix your Steam inventory error in TBH stats bar hero. Okay, now this is a recurrent problem in this game because it's loaded of players. Okay, there's so many players playing this game that the servers sometimes collapse and there's a lot of functions that are not working currently. So I'm gonna show you a couple of workarounds that you can use if an inventory error happens to you. Okay. Now the first thing you can do is you can observe the 10-second mailbox cooldown. Okay. So when you buy items of the market or you cancel a listing, do not spam the refresh button over and over again because the server is going to force a strict anti-spam protocol. So what you're going to do is you're going to open your mailbox in here by opening your menu. And we're just going to wait the full 10 seconds before clicking refresh again. Okay, and that's going to allow kind of the Steam API to process the synchronization thing. Okay, by clicking on refresh. Okay, and that's going to make sure that it's actually refresh. Also, guys, if I were you, what I could do is I could just walk over to my cube and I could make sure to have my stats and my inventory as clean as possible, but especially the stats. If it's clogged with junk that is low tier common gear, you can just put this item into the alchemy. Okay, mostly from your stats, but also from your inventory. Okay, but just for your stats. Okay, and you can just turn it into gold very easily, and that's gonna be good for you too. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. As you can see, it's gonna just turn it into gold. Okay, so let's wait a little bit until it finishes. And that's easily going to solve the client cache, the processing errors and things like that, okay? When your inventory and your stats especially, it's a bit more clean. And the third step that I want to give you is, well, let's see, actually, let's see for a second. Okay, now I have my gold, perfect. And the third thing that I'm going to show you is basically by opening your properties in the Steam game. Okay, so you're just gonna go to your library, you're gonna click on the game, right click and select properties. I want you to turn this on and off, okay, the cloud synchronization. What this is gonna do is this is gonna force the Valve server to re-verify your secure item properties data upon your next launch, okay? So I just want to turn this on and off and restart the game, okay, like the Steam cloud. But that's pretty much it, and thank you so much.